Today, we will check how to use the Temu app on your PC or laptop. When we first land on the Temu website, we can immediately see a variety of products displayed on the screen. However, before we start exploring, let's create an account. To do that, we'll move to the top right corner and click on the Sign In or Register button. A new panel will appear on the screen, where existing users can simply sign into their account, while new users will need to register a new account. You can choose any available option to complete your registration process. Once the account is successfully created, we'll be redirected back to the main screen. Now you are ready to start exploring products based on your needs. As a new user, Temu offers bonus coupons, which you can find at the bottom right side of the screen. If we click on the bonus coupon, a wheel will start spinning, and just like that, you may receive a $100 coupon bundle that can be used for your shopping. After that, click on the Get It Now button, and a QR code will appear on the screen. Simply scan this QR code using your mobile device to install the app and continue your shopping experience. Moving forward, you can scroll down to browse through different products. At the top, there is a limited time offer section featuring special deals. Let's open that section to explore it further. Here you'll find a range of discounted products available for a limited time. For example, if we select a product like a camera, it will open a detailed product page. At the top, you'll see important information such as fast delivery within 5 business days. The shipping is free, and if there's any delay, you will receive a $5 credit. You can also choose the quantity of the product before adding it to your cart. As you scroll down, you'll find more details about the item, including shipping information and a full product description. Before purchasing, it's always a good idea to check the product reviews left by other buyers. These reviews help build trust and give you a better understanding of the product based on real user experiences. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied, simply click on the Add to Cart button to include the item in your cart. Now let's head over to the cart. Here, you'll see that the product has been successfully added. On the right side, you'll find the order summary, which shows the total amount after discounts, coupons, and any applied offers. When you're ready to place your order, click on the Checkout button. A new panel will appear where you'll need to enter your details, including your first name, last name, home address, and phone number. Once all the information is filled in, you can proceed to place your order, and that's how you can easily select and purchase any product from Temu. Now, let's go back to the home page, and from the top left of the screen, go to your account, and from this menu, click on your profile name. Here, you'll find additional options available on Temu. On the left side of the screen, you'll find the Your Orders tab. This is where you can view all your past orders. You'll see them organized into different tabs: orders that are in process, shipped, delivered, or returned. It's a convenient way to keep track of your entire order history. Next, we have the Reviews section. Here, you can see all the reviews you've left for products you've purchased. Then there's the Profile section, which is essential for your shopping experience. Click on the pencil icon next to your name. Enter your full name in the provided field. There's also a measurement option. Click on Go to Settings, and here fill in your measurements, which will be especially useful if you're shopping for clothing, and it will help you choose products according to your set details. You can also add your vehicle information if needed. Once you've updated everything, just click Save to apply the changes. Another important section is Coupons and Offers. Here you'll find all the discounts and promotional offers available. Make sure to check this tab before shopping. To use a coupon, simply click Get, and you'll be redirected to the product page. From there, follow the same steps to add the product to your cart. Once it's in your cart, you can proceed to check out and complete your order. If you have a coupon code from an external source, you can enter it in the Enter Coupon section at the top of the page. Next, there's the Credit Balance section, where you can see your available balance. Since we haven't added any bank details yet, it will show 0 for now. You can also follow your favorite stores, which helps you stay updated with their latest products. The Browsing History section lets you quickly find items you've previously viewed and helps you continue to add them to your cart. In the Addresses section, you can add the shipping address for your orders. Click on Add a New Address, and a tab will pop up on the screen. Fill in your details, including your name, home address, and phone number, and save the details. You can add multiple addresses and choose the preferred one at checkout. Next is the Country or Region and Language section. Here, you can update your country, region, language, and currency preferences if needed. Next, in the Payment method, you will find all the accounts that you have added for payment, or you can click on Add a New Credit or Debit Card. In this tab, enter the card details and then click on Add. Once all products are added, you can visit your balance section to add or view your balance. The account security section allows you to add a phone number and email for verification and security purposes. You can also manage app permissions on your mobile device. Finally, we have the notifications option where you can choose what alerts you'd like to receive. Let's head back to the Temu homepage. Here, you'll find best-selling items options that will filter out products that are popular on Temu. There is also an option to filter 5-star rated products. Next is the local warehouse option that gives you results from your selected address area warehouse. There is also a category menu where you will find all categories listed. Simply hover over a category and you will get a bundle of related subcategories. Select one and it will open on the screen. Here, hundreds of products are listed in that specific category. You can refine your search by selecting specific colors, required themes to find related ones, product materials, suppliers, and more. Back on the home page, you'll also find special event sales like the current Easter sale. Let's open it to see the deals. Here, you will find the coupon that we saw earlier in the coupon section. Now select a product from the list to open it on the screen. Follow the steps that I explained before for product selection, and if you are ready, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. This is a simple and full overview of the Temu web app and how you can use it to find desired products.